In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite guests in Monday.com. By the end, you'll know exactly how to switch a board to a shareable format, send invitations with the right level of access, and share a link confidently with your collaborators. Start on your Monday.com homepage. Make sure you're logged in and have the board or file you want to share ready to go. I'm using a sample file that's already in my workspace, but you can select any existing board you want to collaborate on. Click the file or board from your list to open it, then click its title to enter the full board view. This is where we'll adjust the settings and send invitations. Next, check the board type. At the top of the board, look for the board type indicator. It will likely say Main. For inviting external guests, you'll want to change this to Shareable. Click the board type and choose Change to Shareable. When prompted, select the option that lets you invite people and grant them access to the board, and confirm by clicking Change Board to Shareable. Switching to a shareable board is important because it allows you to bring in collaborators who are outside your account or company domain while still keeping your data organized and access controlled. Once it's changed, click anywhere outside the menu to return to the board. Now you're ready to invite people. In the top right of the board, click the person icon labeled Invite Members. A panel will open where you can enter email addresses. Type in the email of the person or multiple people you want to share the board with. Take a moment to confirm the spelling and that you're using the right addresses. They'll receive an email invitation with a link to join this specific board. Before you send, choose the right permission level. You'll see options to invite as a member, which allows creating, editing, and collaborating, or as a viewer, which gives view-only access with no edits. If you just need someone to review progress or follow along without changing anything, viewer is ideal and doesn't impact editing permissions. If they need to add updates, change statuses, or upload files, choose Member. You can toggle between Viewer and Member to compare. Clicking again will switch the selection so you can be sure you've set the correct level for each invitee. There's also an optional message box. Use this to give context, maybe a quick note about what the board contains, deadlines, or what you want them to focus on. Clear instructions here will help your guests know exactly what to do when they join. When everything looks good, click Invite to send the invitations. You'll see a confirmation that your invites were sent. If you have more people to add, click Invite More Teammates and repeat the process. Enter emails, set viewer or member, add a message if needed, and send. If you're finished, simply close the invite window using the X in the corner. If you prefer sharing a direct link in a chat or email thread, you can do that too. Look for the pin or link icon that copies the board's share link. Click it to copy, then paste the link wherever you communicate with your collaborators. Remember that access still follows the board's sharing rules and the permissions you've set, so only people who are invited or allowed will be able to interact with the board as intended. That's all there is to it. Open your board, switch it from main to shareable, invite people by email, choose whether they're members or viewers, add a helpful note, send the invite, and optionally copy the share link to distribute it more broadly. If you don't see the option to change a board to shareable, you may need additional permissions or a plan that supports guest access, so check with your account admin, follow these steps, and you'll be collaborating with guests in Monday.com smoothly and securely.